The site is in the urban fabric of Baroda, which is now newly developed. The family is father, mother, husband, wife, and 2 kids. So it's a very nice, small, contented family. And they want room for each 4 bedrooms and 1 guest bedroom, which is 5 bedroom house. The plot is about 25,000 square feet. It is comprises of 2 plots. The surrounding is having low-rise bungalows and villas. So the house layout is very simple. It is quite linear. It is well connected from both the direction, where the air exchange is very comfortable, the light exchange is comfortable. The plot is quite rectangular. One part is about 10,000 square feet, which belongs to their brother, and this is 15k square feet, which belongs to them. His brother is staying abroad, and in near future there is no chance that they build the house. But we have to keep that plot open with the garden development, and that is one of the reason what is the location of the house what we have selected, which is towards the north and east side, and we have to keep south and west, which is open. The front part we have to think that as a garden. Now here the real challenges start, because when the house is majorly facing to southwest, we need to be very careful about hot sun penetrating and the ample light which is penetrating in the house. Our major house location which we have to think in is this region. One wall which is actually guiding wall, which actually divided this particular house into 2 segments. We have come across certain lines which are creating certain folds. When person park the car, they come to this area having a nice steps in the front. So the moment we come in, we practically see the outside area which is nice green connect. When we start walking inside, we come across a small puja room here, where the lift is in the front. Lift is always a piece of an art because it's an experience going up and down. The corner which is falling between these 2 concrete fold, which we have thought as a living room, which is actually facing to the garden. So the design of that particular area is such that we have provided certain lures and that allow us to exchange the air. So we have planted certain few big size of the trees, which in future will give a good cover to this particular glass. After lift, there is a very important place which is the steps. Going up, steps are metal folded steps, and these metal folded steps gives nice slickness to the steps without killing either any of the functionality, but it gives a nice look and feel. The back of the steps having a concrete wall. This concrete wall is having number of perforations which allows the west light to penetrate in, and that creates actually a beautiful sciography overall during the daytime and particularly in the evening time. Now what we left with is a nice outside courtyard where we have actually planted 3 trees in a way that in future they will come up with nice canopies. We have provided with certain kind of flexi material which allows to create nice shades at the daytime, and this is a kind of informal living room which we can say, which is directly connected to garden, absolutely outdoor, but at the same time this creates a nice covered area which gives the warmth of kind of family gathering. Absolutely in the front of this gazebo, we have created a nice counter with a canopies of ulta chhata, you can say, which provides a nice sit outs over there. Our major idea is to connect the landscape with the hardscape seamlessly. Here we are going further down with the passage which is connecting to the different part of house, where this corner has been designed as the dining area and this part has been designed with the owner's kitchen, which is well connected with the dining and quite open to both the areas, and this is the utility kitchen and this is the utility made out of prefab structure. This fold of concrete which is falling into east side is creating a nice outdoor sit out in the morning, and which is again connect with lot of green space here on the other side. When we go further towards the west side, this we have created as a family room. Family room also been created in a way that whenever needed to be control the air conditioning and the noise, we can have a nice folded shutters. Then again directly connected with the garden, and here also there is a nice covered deck been provided. Then it comes in the southwest, which is master bedroom. So one master bedroom at the ground level and the master bedroom on the upper level. The other area is guest bedroom on one side. So in totality there are 2 bedroom at the ground level and 3 bedroom on the upper level. So the house layout is very simple, very linear. The material which is kind of the core material is a concrete. The folded house is the peripheral concrete fins. So when you see, these are the concrete fins which is quite influensive and holding one mass of living. Living room is about 16 feet high, which is giving a nice volumetric impact overall. And on the other side, it is creating the mass of entry, which is with the regular height. At the same time, another fold of concrete, which is giving beautiful outdoor gazebo, which is kind of well settled between the living and family room. So one more concrete fold, which is after living room, which is giving diversion to the bedroom, and then we have added few concrete fins here, and there is one more concrete fold which is towards the dining side. So overall, when we talk about the massing of concrete and the fold which is holding all the areas one after each other, the major area what they wanted is kind of interactive house with outside and inside, and that is what we have tried to attend.